Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a really super short video for you, but I've been wanting to do it for a long time because I'm sure a lot of you are trying to find the perfect makeup vanity chair or filming chair for that matter. And I have found it, and it is this chair right here. It is the Tobias chair from Ikea. And it is all clear, which is awesome. Big thing right now in chairs is the ghost chair. And that is what they call this chair because it's all acrylic, clear, and it's kind of like a ghost, I guess, because you can't see when it's there. I mean, you can see it, but it gives you the illusion of having more space than if you had a regular chair. It would feel like this is taking up a lot of space. And so if you have a smaller space, a smaller room that you don't want to feel like you have too much stuff in, this is a perfect chair. And it also is really actually a pretty good price and surprisingly kind of comfortable. It may not look like it, but it is, and I'm gonna kind of show you guys how it looks a little bit more in detail right now. So I'm here bent over weirdly at my makeup vanity, and this whole setup is from Ikea, by the way. It's the Lindemann tabletop and the two Alex drawers, which I love also, and I do have a video of when I got them, which I'll link somewhere for you guys to watch if you want to. It's been a long time. I've been trying to find the perfect makeup vanity chair and filming chair, and I have finally found it, and it's the Ikea Tobias chair. Like I said, it is a ghost chair, which means you wouldn't be able to see it if it's pushed in somewhere, or it won't feel like you're using too much of your space, kind of invisible in a way. It pushes in perfectly into my makeup vanity, which I absolutely love. It kind of slides in and out for the most part pretty well. It doesn't have any wheels or anything, but I'll show you guys kind of close up the whole design of it. Alright, so this is the chair, and as you can see, it's got this kind of nice design where it kind of scoops in, which makes it pretty comfortable. It might not look like it's comfortable, but it is pretty comfortable. So I'm going to lift it up for you guys. It's actually not too heavy. This is kind of the design of the legs. I don't know what you would call it, but it kind of just goes down like this and makes it really easy to put anywhere and slide in and out pretty easily. And the design, I think, is brilliant. Rather than having the traditional 4 legs, then you just have this really cool rod which just scoops under, makes it easier for it to move around, to push in and out. I use this chair for filming as well, so when I film, I feel like I don't have this like really ugly chair in the background. You feel like you have more of a clean kind of feel to your background. So I really like this. I'm gonna sit in it for you guys so you can kind of see. So I can sit in it pretty comfortably if I'm doing my makeup for kind of a longer period of time. My back isn't really gonna hurt. You can put a cushion back here for more back support, but I feel like the shape of it fits really nicely with my back anyway. I am 5'3", so I'm kind of shorter, but this does kind of fit to my back really nicely, and so it doesn't really hurt. It's one of those that's not too low, not too high. The price of this chair is really, really great. It's only $75, which I know sounds super expensive, but when I was researching ghost chairs before, I mean, they were upwards of $200, $300. That's insane. And this was super easy put together, pretty easy to find. They're pretty much always in stock, I feel like, at Ikea. They're kind of like one of those secret chairs that you don't really know about. So I'm telling you about it right now. I think if you guys are looking for a perfect makeup vanity chair, look no further than the Ikea Tobias chair. I'm not being paid to say this. Ikea, you want to give me a sponsorship? Just kidding. But it is a great chair, and yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys because I think it makes my makeup vanity complete with a good chair. My husband almost feels like he doesn't even know it's there, and he often almost trips on it. So remember to push it in, okay? Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, this is really awkward for my neck. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. That always helps me out. Make sure you subscribe to become part of the Lustrous Beauty community. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're notified when I upload. But thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to stay lustrous, even if you're upside down. Bye.